Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy your own smart contract bot on Pancakeswap with the BNB pair on Binance Smart Chain. First of all, you will need a MetaMask wallet with some BNB on it on the Binance Smart Chain. If you need further help connecting your MetaMask wallet or connecting to the Binance Smart Chain, follow the instructions in the description. And that's about halfway it. Let's start. Head over to remix.ethereum.org, which is the site you can see on my screen. This is where we are going to build our smart contract bot. Also, feel free to pause the video at any time. For now, start by creating a new file with this icon on the top left here. We're going to name it contractbot.sol and press enter. Now we will copy the smart contract code, which I provided in the description below, and paste it into Remix. This bot is going to run on the blockchain and work against the Pancakeswap router. All that information is preloaded through a function manager that routes back to the Pancakeswap Solidity libraries, which are injected into the contract, as you can see here. The next step is to compile the smart contract bot. So we go to the compiler right here. We are going to select version 6.6 because I wrote it in this version. So we go to version 6.6. And language must be set on Solidity. Now we just compile our bot by clicking on this button. So let us compile the bot. There we go. It is ready to be deployed to our wallet. Okay, go to the next menu and make sure you don't have other deployed contracts out there if you're doing this for the first time, so you don't make any mistakes. Alright, we're going to click on the environment and select Injected Web3. Now we have to connect our MetaMask by pressing Next and then Connect. So if you open your MetaMask right now, you should see a green light indicating that it is now connected to Remix. Now we can deploy our contract by pressing the orange button right here. MetaMask will ask us to pay a little of BNB to create the smart contract on the blockchain. I can confirm that. All right, that should be fine. So we should get a transaction confirmation on the bottom right corner of the screen here. And now we have our deployment utility right here, which once you drop down will give you some information like action, token name, token symbol. Right now, we're just going to copy that contract to make sure that it shows up in the Binance Smart Chain in BSC Scan. I copy that, paste it in BSC Scan. We can see that it's a contract address there now. So the next step in this process is just funding our contract, which is pretty simple. Make sure that you have copied your contract address and click on MetaMask. And as you can see, it deployed our contract. So we're going to send some funds to the contract we have just created. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do 0.5. Actually, make it 1, a little bit extra sometimes helps. So that way we can make sure that there is an impact on the liquidity once we interact with the contract that just adds liquidity within Pancakeswap. Okay, we just wait now. So, yeah. Yeah, give it a moment. There we go. So, the transaction is confirmed and it was sent to the contract. Next thing that we do is to press the action button, which engages all the constructors that are built on the Pancakeswap router. It automatically buys and sells for you. So, how that works is that it will transact the liquidity as soon as it's added to a token. Then it gives it generally, let me see, You put it in with this variable that had to be just 1 minute before the action sells. So you are basically just doing an automated buy and sell within 1 minute, so it'll find the liquidity. Buy into that project, so that way it will front run at the retail investors that come in. So you'll only be competing with other bots on the mempool. It will automatically sell within a minute, and then from there it will take 90% and transfer it back to your wallet. The remaining 10% will stay within the smart contract protocol. That 10% will automatically keep sniffing out for liquidity. The smart contract bot will transfer the profit back to your wallet. I've had really good luck with this in the last few weeks. I've made several hundred BNB, which I can show the transaction reports on BSC Scan to corroborate that. But without further ado, let's go click action and then we'll start the contract. So I'm just going to confirm this. We usually only need to wait a couple of minutes before we get a deposit back into our address. Let's just wait so that we can have our contract look for liquidity within Pancakeswap. And once it finds it, it will automatically transact, generally. This, it takes about a minute. There's new contracts with added liquidity pretty much every minute of the day because everyone's coming out with their new little rug pull trash going, but at least we can get ahead of that. We can make a little bit of profit as soon as they drop the liquidity because we're buying out on the same block of the liquidity. So there's, anyone who's transacting directly through Pancakeswap, we're going to be in front of them. Okay. Yeah, let's see. All right. Let me take a look. I can almost guarantee you that I got something back by now, and there we go. Yeah, it's already around 7x. So the longer we wait, that will automatically reinvest to 10%. And it transfers back to 90%, so the actual profit was a little bit higher than that. There's still 10% in that front-running pool that's still looking for liquidity. You can run this cycle multiple times a day. You can have upwards of dozens of BNB a day if you use a larger amount than what I started with. Well, good luck. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me and add me on Discord, which I have left in the description.